Hey guys, my name is Freedom. Today I'm going to show you how to export the Vroid Studio avatar and import into Unreal Engine 4 and make it as a character, make it as a game character inside the Unreal Engine 4. So as demo, I assume that you already designed a character in Vroid Studio. So first step, what you need to do is just export as VRM file. Now I already have a lot of sample avatars where I already designed it before. For example, this blonde girl. Alright, so now I'm going to export this girl as VRM file. Where to click? Here you can see a camera slash exporter. Click here as the first step. Alright, next, you are going to click export. As demo, I will just export on my desktop. I click export. These two field, the name and the author you need to fill. Next, you click OK. I choose the desktop as destination. Then this is a Caucasian Girl 01 VRM. This one I will export as this file name. I save and wait for a moment. It will export on my desktop as VRM file. You can see this is the file extension .vrm, Caucasian Girl 01. Now I can just close my Vroid Studio already. Next, what are you going to do? You are going to download the Vroid Unreal plugin. I already give this download link. You can just check the video descriptions. Click into this link and go to a browser. Okay, this one. github.com/ruyo/vrm4u/release/tag. So download this one. It is according to the version of your Unreal Engine. For my Unreal Engine, it's 4.26. So I'm going to download this. This is a plugin. It is totally 46.35 MB. It takes a few seconds to download this. After finish downloaded, it is a zip file. Now I'm going to move this zip file to my desktop, and I'm going to close this browser. Downloaded as a zip file, I must right click and extract all. Then I click extract. Alright, now you can see after finish extract, it will extract in a folder. If you double click the folder, inside you have a plugin folder. So I don't want to waste about this. So I'm going to delete the zip file to keep my desktop clean. Alright, next. The plugin is inside. Here. Next, I'm going to launch the Unreal Engine 4 and start a new project. Just wait for a moment. I already clicked launch Unreal Engine 4. It is loading now. Just be patient. It depends on your computer speed and also what type of the hard disk or solid state drive SSD you have installed. So far, I installed my Unreal Engine 4 in a 4 terabyte external hard disk. So maybe it take a few moments, take a few seconds to load the Unreal Engine. See? The Unreal Editor is started. It is initializing. You can skip this part of the video. I'm not going to edit my video or cut any of the parts. So you can just drag the video timeline and just skip this part while I'm waiting for that. You no need to wait for this. Okay. You can just skip to behind because this is a YouTube video. You can drag the timeline. Alright, next I'm going to start a new project. I click the games, click next. As demo, I will just use a third-person game. Then you reveal the avatar in this way. So third person, then next. Alright, the project name for this time I will just make it as a demo. Demo for demo v-roid to Unreal. This is just a demo, so I'm going to create a new project to demo for you. This is the project name. You can put your own project name as practice. Create the project. Now we not yet install this plugin for your Unreal Engine project. You need to make sure you already load into the project. Just now you already save it in the location. So next, you are going to find that location. Just wait for this. Here, your Epic Launcher, you can double click it. Check your library. Maximize it. You can see these are all your projects. So my new project is here, Demo v-roid to Unreal. This is the one that's still initializing. Okay, now it already entered. Okay. So it is here. Can you look at the location, the path? You can see the path there is under D, my file, document, Unreal project, demo v-roid to Unreal. That is the location. Of course, I can right click and show in folder. This is the folder. So we are going to copy the plugin just now into this folder. Control C to copy. Then here, Control V to paste. Then you have to close your project and then launch it again. Right click. This is your Epic launcher. Right click and open. Open again. Alright. Next, you are going to install this plugin. Click Edit, click Plugin. Here you search VRM. It is here. You are going to enable it. Then restart. Restart now. Then search again VRM. Alright, it is already enabled. It is already enabled. Now you can close it. Next, click your content. Now your default character is this one. This is your default character. Now I press F so that I can see. Alright, if you click play, then this is a playtest. This is just a basic function in Unreal Engine. This is a third-person game. When I press escape, it will back to the editor. Alright, under the content folder, I'm going to open a new folder. I right-click here and click new folder. Here I will just type the folder name v-roid. Alright, double-click the folder, and next, I can close this plugin already. Drag the VRM into your v-roid folder and release your mouse. It will appear this. Then here, you can click import. This one you have to choose first as an empty, the mtoon lid. This one you have to select empty mtoon lid, then click import. Now you can see this folder v-roid. It is already loaded into here. So next thing, what are you going to do? You look at my notes at the video description. Just now you already designed an avatar in Vroid Studio and export as a VRM. We settled this already. Next, download the Vroid Unreal plugin and install into your Unreal project. This one also settled already. Restart your Unreal Engine and open a folder and import your VRM file. We already finished until here. Next, you have to make your original character as humanoid first. This avatar. Where to find this avatar? You click the content, click the mannequin, then double click the character. It's under the mesh folder, and you can see a skeleton. Double click this skeleton. And now I maximize it. Click the retarget manager if you cannot see your retarget manager. Next. Under the select rig, you have to select the humanoid rig because this is a human. Next, click Save. Then minimize it. Next step. Alright, now we already made the original character as humanoid. Next, we have to retarget. Click the content so that you're back to the content folder. Next, you search at here, third person, animation blueprint. At here, you right click. Next, you select this one, retarget animation blueprint, and click this duplicate animation blueprint and retarget. So at here, you should be able to see this. This is your v-roid character. Next, you have to click retarget. Alright, now you should be able to see under your content folder. You can see all your Vroid Studio animations. Your v-roid character animations will be created here. And you can see the third person animation VP is here. Now you need to right click and rename this one with a file name underscore v-roid girl. Alright. Next step, what are you going to do? After you finish retarget, now is the last step. Change the third person character. Alright. So how to change the third person character? You need to click your contents here. Then it should be under your third person BP. It's under blueprint. You can see a third person character here. So double click. Next, click the viewports. And then click the mesh. You can see the third person avatar, the original avatar, still that one. Click the mesh. The skeleton mesh you are going to change to this one, your Caucasian girl 01. Then it changed already, you see? Next, your animation class you have to change. Replace with the file name that you had renamed just now, the third person animation BP underscore v-roid girl. This is just now, you already saved it. Now you can see this Vroid Studio avatar already become the main character. And remember to save this. You can see all the stars. Stars here means you're not yet saved. You have to save. Click save. Then this one also the same. Still have the star, you have to click save. Then now can close it. Now you can see your V-roid avatar already become the main character in your Unreal Engine 4. Now it is a third person mode. So what I'm going to test is I will test play. Click play to test it. I click play. Now you can see this v-roid avatar already become the main character, can run, can jump. It already become your game avatar. And that's all for today about how to export the v-roid avatar and import into your Unreal Engine 4 to make it become your game character. And thank you for watching. If you love my video tutorial, if you feel all these tutorials are very helpful to your 3D animation and game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell to activate the notification so that when next time I publish a new video tutorial, you receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy and happy animation.